All right, these 3 exercises are quite easy. They only take 30 seconds if you do them properly. You can do them in a seated position or lying prone or on your stomach on the floor. If you're older or you have some problems lying down, this position Bob is in is good. A pillow underneath the chest in this position.
Folded.
Pardon?
Folded.
Folded, yeah, fold the pillow. The hands are going to go over the head like this. And the first exercise, 5 to 10 reps, is simply lift your hands up towards the ceiling. Elbows will raise a little bit, but not much, and back down. Up and hold, 1 to 2 seconds, and back down. Make sure you breathe while you do this and do 5 to 10 repetitions. The next more advanced move is bring the hands up and the elbows go up at the same time. And go ahead, Bob, do 5 of those. What we're doing is strengthening the muscles of the shoulder blades, bringing them together for posture. It also frees up the movement of the shoulder blades so that that shoulder joint does not get jammed up, cause impingement.
I like this.
Yeah, it works good, doesn't it, Bob? His mic's turned off. The last and the final phase is to put your arms in a W shape like this and then lift up. And that's a little more aggressive, isn't it, Bob? Yeah, Bob was saying, yeah. And so once you get good, you could go right to this phase and skip the first 2, which even makes it easier. But it is a really nice posture exercise. Again, freeing up the shoulder blades, which helps that shoulder mechanics. I'm going to show you how to do it on the floor next. Okay, a little more advanced. If you feel comfortable going onto the floor, I would not do this on a bed, too soft. Pillow, again, under the chest, elbows here, hands above, just lying on your head. And again, lift the hands straight up towards the ceiling. Let the elbows come up with. And think about squeezing those shoulder blades together while you do this. And once you can do 10 of those easily and you can feel that movement, then we're going to lift the arm, the hands, and the elbows go up even more. Big difference. That little bit right there really moves the scapula, the shoulder blades better, strengthens for posture, frees up that scapular rotation. And again, the final one, arms out like this, like you're kind of flying like Superman. And up like this.
There we go.
Again, really focus on shoulder blades coming together, arms up, and keep your head, don't let your head down like this.
You got to tell you, Brad, these are excellent.
Yeah, Bob hasn't done this series yet, and he's very impressed. So,
That's
if Bob is happy with it, and I am, and we concur, there's no doubt in our minds that it's a winner, for sure. Once again, we can fix it just about anything except for
a broken heart.
Right. And, this exercise isn't going to do anything for it, but, help your shoulders. Take care.
Yeah.